Ever wonder how creators make money recommending products? Let's break down the mechanics of affiliate marketing in this short guide. At its core, this is a performance-based strategy where you earn a fee for promoting someone else's product or service. There is usually no upfront cost. You only get paid when a customer completes a specific action, like a purchase via your link. It follows a simple loop. You sign up, get a specialized link, share it, and the merchant tracks the traffic you send. Unlike display ads that pay for eyeballs or clicks, affiliate marketing is strictly about getting the customer to the finish line. Commission rates vary. Digital goods often pay more because they have lower production costs for the merchant compared to physical items. Trust is everything. Regulations like those from the FTC require you to clearly disclose when a link is an affiliate link. Affiliate marketing can be a way to monetize content, but it requires patience and a loyal audience. Thanks for watching.